Hello guys, so this is Dilip. So now we're going to draw a full in detailed planning with the 3D execution in AutoCAD. So I'm going to take this plan. So then I will zoom out so that you can see the whole plan. So this is my plan of a building with facing of 36 width and 50 is the length. So this is the total 50 and this is 36. So it is 200 square yard model. So this is the 200 square yard plot and 1800 square feet plot. So it is east facing. So this is north and this is east, south and west. So now we will execute this plan only in our AutoCAD. So first we have to open our AutoCAD, go to new drawing. So now we have to select the units, click on UN enter. So because I'm going to take, in India we use feet and inches, but in the world we will take meters mm. So for our here India, so I'm taking the architectural, so 0 feet 0 inches the precision. So I'm taking the units inserted contents is inches. So don't need to change anything. Click on OK. Now go to dimension style edit. Click on D enter. So we go to modify. So go to primary units. Click on architectural. So engineering is that, but it's some point values. So we will be requiring architectural only. So we're going to take 0 feet 0 inches, or you can say 0 feet half inches. So it won't say, we will keep 0 feet 0 inches. So here you can also select the lines color by block. So if you want to, so here we can see the dotted lines for the opening. So for that I want to add some lines. So here go to line type, click on other. So click on load. So we have different types of lines, dash, so dotted and fencing. So you can see this is for Gans line, this is the fencing. So this is the hidden, so this is the track. So we can mention all this over here. So I want a dotted lines. So I can take this dash and OK. So click on OK. So now there no need of change anything. So you can text, you can change the text side. You can change the symbols and arrows. So I'm taking like this architectural tick ones, and the leading up to the architectural. Click on OK. Select to set current and close. So we are done with our primary units and basic units all. So now we need to draw our plan. So this is our plan. So we're going to take this, and this is the 5-inch wall. These are the 9-inch and this is the 5-inch wall. So we will go to AutoCAD. Now we will take line command L enter. So I'm selecting one point, click on F8. So we need for the 90 degrees. So click your line and I'm taking 50 feet. So then after here 36 feet. So again 50 feet, enter and join this line. So now zoom it. Now we're going to use the offset method. So I have told you that offset method will be easy for drawing any plans, make it as easier. So I'm taking the offset, O enter, click 5 inches. OK. Now select the lines and drag inside. So here we are done with it. So now we have to see. So this is the 3 feet, the rear open place, and this is the side opening of 5 feet 10 inches. So here also we have 2 feet 11 inches. So we are consider 3 feet from this wall to here. So this is from here to here 2 feet 11 inches. So from here to here 11 inches. So we are taking offset of 3 feet, enter, from here to this side and here to this side. So after that we are having a how much? 5 feet 10 inches. So we're gonna taking 5 feet 10 inches. So this is, you can see this is 20, 10, 9 and 7. So 10, this is 20, this is 20, this is 10, 30 and this is 39. So 39, 39 plus 7 how much? It's 46. So 46, 46 plus 3, 49. 49 and this is 1 feet, 50. So okay. So you can see this side also now. So this is how much? This is 4 feet and this is 11 and 12, 23 plus 23 plus 4, 27, 27 plus 5, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 and here 6 plus 4, 33 and these inches and this 10 inches we will make 36. So now we will draw here. So we're gonna take how much? So we'll be taking a 6 feet. So offset 6 feet or 6 feet enter from the border line to here. So now if you measure here, so you can see this. So how much? 5 feet 7 inches. So okay, no problem, we will change some dimensions because no problem, we can do whatever we want. So again go to dimension. So here we can see, so this has 2 feet 7 inches. So this is enough for us because it is more enough, the 2 feet 7 inches for the surrounding area. So I'm gonna delete these dimensions. So we have to first save our model. Click on save, give 2B HK plan. So I'm saving it, so it's done. So now we will add these walls. So I'm directly taking this 20 and I will wall the walls to inner walls. So now go to AutoCAD, now go to offset. So I'm taking 20 feet, enter. So I'm selecting this one, so this is my 20 feet. So again from here to here, so we will draw the walls. So again, so now we will draw the outside walls. So that is taking offset of 9 inches. Click on enter. From here, this side and this side. So from inside. So now we will take a offset of 10 feet for the dining. So again I am taking offset. So here we are having inside of, you can take 5 inches wall, or we can take 9 inches. So due to loading condition, so we are taking G+1 now. So that's why in the down part we will take the 9 inches wall. So that will be much useful to us. So after that we're going to take 9 inches wall, 9 inches, click on here. So again click on offset, click on 9 feet, enter, select from here, and again offset 9 inches, enter, and this side. So we will see how much area is remained for us. So we remain with 6 feet 10 inches. So we can see the inside dimensions. So this is the 8 feet 3 inches. So and again, so we can change the model, no problem. So after that we're gonna take this from here. So this is our 5 feet, and again from here, so you can see this is 12 feet 4 inches, and this is 9 inches. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So means 13 feet 1 inch. From here to here, 13 feet 1 inch. So for no confusion, we can draw like this. So we can take, we have given the offset. So we're gonna take 12 feet 4 inches. Take the offset 12 feet 4 inches, click on enter, select from here, and then we will add a wall of 4 inches wall, 4.5 inches wall over here. So we are done with the walls. Now it's time for the trimming. So I think everyone will love the trimming. So we can cut whatever we doesn't require. We can cut everything. So we have done with the cutting. So we will do some basic cutting only. After that we will do refined cuttings. Now select these unnecessary parts. Now delete all that. So then like this. So we are done with this. So we are done with the overall part. So now we will go to here. So now we have to add the bathroom for this. So it consists of 4 feet. So again go here, select the offset, enter, click on 4 feet, enter, select this part and select enter, and we will see this also how much 4 feet. So again click on enter and again enter, select this one, click on enter, so escape. Now again go to repeat the command, offset of 4.5 inches, enter. So outside and outside. Now again we have to trim. So we can go to PR, MM, double enter. So now we will add the horizontal ones. So we can go to offset. So here we have how much? 8 feet. So we're gonna take 8 feet, enter, select this line, click on here, again go to offset, click on 4.5 inches, select this one and add. Now go to trim, TR, double enter, select this unnecessary parts. So again here we will see the dimensions, not linear. So we will see the inside dimensions. So it is 12 feet 4 inches. So we will take this as 5 feet 5 inches. So we will delete this one. Click on offset 5 feet 5 inches. Click over here and select. And now add the wall thickness of 4.5 inches over to here. So again we will see the dimensions. So inside to inside, so it is 6 feet 7 inches. So it is more than enough. So trim, double enter, trim the parts. So then after, select these unnecessary parts, delete. So then in the next video we will be adding what? The columns and this dotted line. See you on next video.